was very good food.
And you can.
Very tasty.
Philip is fighting with kulfi. अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूवर्स, वेलकम बैक टू मंसूरटास्टिक। तो आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने फिर हाजिर हूँ और एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग व्लॉग के साथ दोबारा से हाजिर हूँ। मेरे व्लॉग आजकल बहुत कम आ रहे हैं क्योंकि मैं मलेशिया में पेनिंग में दोबारा हूँ और मेरा काम और मेरी स्टडी शुरू हो गई है, इसलिए व्लॉग बहुत कम आया करेंगे। होपफुली आप लोग मुझे भूलें ना। तो आज का जौन सा व्लॉग है वो पेनिंग में एक बहुत फेमस इंडियन पाकिस्तानी शॉप है, उधर से हम चिकन बिरयानी खाने जा रहे हैं या मटन बिरयानी खाएंगे। और मेरे साथ मेरे दोस्त हैं। फिलिप, हाउ आर यू?
Hi, good, and you?
I'm also fine. Philip will try this chicken biryani or mutton biryani. Philip, what's your expectation?
I have no expectation.
You have no expectation?
No.
I hope you will like this. You will definitely like this biryani. We will see it. So, with me is my other friend from Malaysia, Heidi. So, we will try this biryani and give you guys feedback. Philip, can you tell us your spice level? Can you eat biryani with full of spice?
10.
Normal biryani? Can
10.
you?
1 from 10.
1 from 10. So we should say them that they should not put spice in your biryani.
Yes.
Oh,
please.
okay. So we will do this. And Heidi, what's your spice level? Can you eat spicy biryani?
Yes, very spicy.
Okay. Heidi can eat spicy biryani, but Philip cannot. So we will tell them they should not put too much spice for Philip. So guys, in my other vlog with German girls, I made biryani myself. So if you want to watch this vlog, link is upside, you can watch it. And after eating this biryani, after some time, I will invite Philip and Heidi to eat my biryani. Then they will compare my biryani to this restaurant biryani, which biryani is better. Okay?
Feel my heart, it's beating. Oh, my body's breathing. It's just you and me. Feel my heart, it's beating. Oh, my body's breathing.
So guys, feel like home. It's Bhai Biryani, brother biryani. सो गाइस, इस रेस्टोरेंट में आके बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, बहुत देसी फीलिंग आ रही है। पीछे जो सा म्यूज़िक लगा हुआ है वो भी पूरा बॉलीवुड म्यूज़िक लगा हुआ है और बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। हम लोगों ने काफ़ी चीज़ें ऑर्डर की हैं, अब वो आती हैं और हम खाते हैं और उसके बाद आपको उसका रिएक्शन देते हैं। फिलिप भी काफ़ी एक्साइटेड है और हाइडी भी काफ़ी एक्साइटेड है। होपफुली आप लोग एंजॉय करें ये व्लॉग। ओके फिलिप, व्हाट डू यू से अबाउट दिस म्यूज़िक, इंडियन म्यूज़िक? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग एवरीथिंग?
No. How can I understand this?
This is our homemade yogurt with fresh mango. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. So Philip, how it looks, this mango lassi?
Looking tasty.
In Pakistan, if you drink real lassi, you will be sleepy after it. Very sleepy. How it tastes? Very sweet.
Very sweet.
Very sweet.
This is lamb shank biryani. Mutton shank dum biryani. The sauce with the yogurt. And then the gravy.
Thank you.
Am besten hier. Sonst nimmst du so.
Das Ding ist so heiß wie so.
Ja, so heiß ist das jetzt nicht, dass das wieder funktioniert.
Do we have a different cup?
If you can't, I can help you. Just a moment. Yes. So how you different taste, different look, or is it same?
Yeah.
What do you say about look?
Look. It's the same like others restaurant, but this is quite different. I don't know how to tell, but more smooth. I don't know how to say.
So it's worth it to come here.
Yes.
I already told you I can make myself biryani, so I don't like to eat biryani from outside. But this shop,
I'm so caught in this, but so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm
I don't know. I'm concerned about you. Can you finish? We can finish, but I'm concerned about you.
But I think it's crazy that they cooked it so well that there's was heißt denn Knochen auf Englisch?
Yeah,
They cooked it so well that
bone.
it's so white.
Soft. It's very soft. Yeah.
It's crazy.
La 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 la. Philip, fire that music. So guys, हम लोगों ने खाना खा लिया, बहुत मज़ा आया है बिरयानी खाने का इधर। अगर आप लोग पेनिंग में हो इस रेस्टोरेंट पे लाजमी आइएगा। तो खाना खाने का भी मज़ा आया और मैंगो लस्सी पीने का भी। बिरयानी बहुत मज़े की थी। हम फिलिप से पूछते हैं उसको कैसा लगता है और वो कैसा रिकमेंड करता है दूसरे लोगों को। Philip, how do you like this food?
It was very good food. It was very tasty.
It was your first time.
Yes.
Can you refer this food to other one?
Yes, of course. But I can't say how other Indian Pakistan food is. But the food was good and you can come here to eat.
Okay.
good
And
food.
what about mango lassi?
Very sweet. Very sweet.
Very sweet.
Yeah.
But you like mutton biryani most.
Yes. Yes.
So would you like to say about something this music?
I can't say something about the music because I don't understand the music.
But this beat.
Yeah, this beat is nice.
Okay.
I like
Okay.
it.
Good. And Heidi could not finish his food because it was too much. Heidi, do you like this food?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So guys, it was nice. So कुल्फ़ी आ गई है, अच्छी है, लेकिन कुल्फ़ी का मज़ा वो जो स्टिक के साथ खाने का आता है वो अलग है। ये तो आप ऐसे कुल्फ़ी खा रहे हो जैसे केक खा रहे हो। फिलिप भी कह रहा है वो कुल्फ़ी के साथ लड़ रहा है।
Our first restaurant we started at KL on 2019 at Bhai Biryani OUG in Puchong area.
Okay.
This is our second branch here. We opened here last year October 18.
Okay.
It's our boss family business. So
Okay.
they're Muslim, right? So that's why they use a Bhai Biryani. Yeah?
Bhai Biryani.
Bhai Biryani. Okay, so far so good. Our business, Penang people give a good support to us. So we expect some more good support from the Penang people.
That's why I came here last time and I really like your biryani.
Alright.
Actually, I can also cook very biryani, but I
Okay.
really like your biryani. I bring my German friend
Alright.
and my Malaysian friend.
Okay.
So they both like your biryani. It was very nice.
Okay, this is our menu. Okay, starting with our dum biryani, our Hyderabad dum biryani.
Okay.
So this one, the meat cooked together with the rice,
Okay.
with some spices, everything together.
Okay.
So and then we got available also types of, I think 20 or 22 types of biryani here.
Okay.
Okay, then got our lamb shank biryani, our Indian traditional mutton fry biryani.
Okay.
Then some more with quail. Then lot of seafood biryani. Then
Okay.
appetizers. Everything together, lah.
Okay. Perfect.
Alright.
How do you like food here in this restaurant?
Good.
Good. Do you come often here?
First time.
First time.
Are you going to come again here?
Yeah.
And how do you like, sir?
Yeah, very tasty.
That's nice. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. तो आपको यहाँ का खाना कैसा लगता है?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है इसलिए
हमेशा आप इधर आते हैं?
हमेशा इधर आते हैं।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, जज़ाकल्लाह।
बेसबर शामों सहर दो